Hi guys, this is Lynn from Expressions MD, and today we're going to talk about dermal fillers, more specifically Juvederm. You all have maybe heard us talk about Juvederm and maybe even had a friend who said that she's had Juvederm before, but do you really know what Juvederm does, where we use it, and whether or not you might be a good candidate for it? So Juvederm is part of what we call the hyaluronic class of fillers. Hyaluronic is naturally occurring in our bodies. We just produce less of it as we age. It helps to keep the skin hydrated, plumped, and can help to give volume back to those areas where we're maybe losing it. There's a couple of different forms of Juvederm that we can use in different areas to make correction. Juvederm Voluma is one that we might use up here in the cheeks, where people sometimes start to get a flattening of their cheeks. In fact, sometimes people will say, I feel like I have enough cheeks, thinking about this forward cheek. And so what we can do with Voluma is we can cause some lifting to happen with that. It can soften these lines that come down from our nose to our mouth, kind of frame our eyes a little bit more and draw that tissue back up to where it used to be. Other areas that we can use Juvederm in is the jawline. Sometimes people will start to notice lines that come down from the corner of their mouth. We call those the marionette lines. Sometimes people say they feel like they look sad and they're a very happy person. We can add volume to that area to soften that out and make it a little more neutral. Other popular spots to use Juvederm are in the lip area, and we can do a few different things with that area. Sometimes people just have some of those little vertical lip lines that they don't like, and we can help to soften those lip lines with Juvederm. Some people might say, you know what, I need more volume to my lips. I used to have more, or even if I've always had small lips, I would like to just have a little more volume to that shape. Other things that we find that happen is we sometimes lose that structure of our lip line as we age. A lot of times people will say that they start to notice that their lipsticks, lip polishes bleed into the soft little lines around their lips. And so that we can help to give that structure back to the lip that you once had and make it a lot more fun to wear those lipsticks, lip polishes, things like that. Juvederms, depending upon which one we use, is going to last anywhere between 12 and 24 months. They do a great job. They're very natural. All of our Juvederm is injected by Dr. Detlefson, so you'll always have expert physician injected fillers. For the most part, they have very little downtime to them. It's always possible to get a little bruise from fillers, and so if you take any fish oils or aspirin or Advil or Aleve, things like that, avoiding those for a few days prior to your injections can help minimize the chance of bruising with it. But for the most part, the results of your Juvederm are pretty instantaneous, that you'll see the results of it as you leave from your appointment and be able to go on about your day like normal. We'd be happy to help you find out which products might benefit you the best and what your best individual treatment plan would be. So feel free to call us and schedule a complimentary consultation, and we can help you find that. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.